What's your name?
My name is Hania.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Can you speak English?
Yes, I can speak English a little.
Are you married?
Yes, I'm married.
Do you have any children?
Yes, I have 2 children.
What do you do?
I'm a teacher.
What are your hobbies?
I like reading and cooking.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Do you like music?
Yes, I love listening to music.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
How do you go to work?
I go to work by bus.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you live with your family?
Yes, I live with my parents.
Are you a student or a worker?
I'm a student.
What do you do in your free time?
I watch videos or go for a walk.
Do you like reading books?
Yes, especially storybooks.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Titanic.